Did you know that product demos can significantly boost buyer confidence? Welcome back to Success Spark Wisdom, where we explore the keys to achieving success in your business and personal life. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can transform the way customers perceive your product demos. Yes, that's right. Did you know that showcasing your product through demos can significantly boost buyer confidence? Let's explore how this simple strategy can make a big difference in your sales. Imagine you're considering purchasing a new gadget. You've done your research, read reviews, and yet there's still a little voice in your head asking, is this really worth it? This is a common scenario for many buyers. But what if you could see the product in action before making that commitment? That's where product demos come into play. Product demonstrations allow potential customers to see firsthand how a product works, its features, and its benefits. This transparency not only informs but also reassures buyers. It creates a connection between the customer and the product, making them feel more comfortable and confident in their purchase decision. Think about it. When you watch a demo, you're not just seeing a product, you're experiencing it. A well-executed demo can highlight unique features, show practical applications, and even address common concerns or questions. This level of engagement can turn a hesitant buyer into a confident one. Now, let's discuss some effective ways to create product demos that resonate with your audience. First, ensure your demo is clear and straightforward. Avoid jargon and focus on how the product solves a problem or fulfills a need. The goal is to make it relatable. Use real-life scenarios that your audience can identify with. Next, keep it engaging. Use visuals, storytelling, and even humor where appropriate. A dynamic presentation can hold attention and make the information more memorable. Remember, the more enjoyable the demo, the more likely viewers will remember your product. Additionally, consider incorporating testimonials or reviews from satisfied customers. Hearing from real users can enhance credibility and build trust. It's one thing to hear a brand tout its product, it's another to see real people sharing their positive experiences. Another important aspect is accessibility. Make sure your demos are easily accessible across different platforms. Whether it's on your website, social media, or through email marketing, the more people can see your demo, the better. And don't forget about follow-up. After a demo, engage with your audience. Encourage them to ask questions or share their thoughts. This interaction not only builds a relationship, but also provides you with valuable feedback. In conclusion, product demos are more than just a marketing tool. They are a bridge that connects potential buyers to the confidence they need to make a purchase. By effectively showcasing your product, you can alleviate doubts, increase trust, and ultimately drive sales. Thank you for joining us today on Success Spark Wisdom. We hope you found this information valuable and that it inspires you to incorporate product demos into your marketing strategy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on achieving success. Until next time, keep sparking your wisdom.